Hello students, welcome back inside the online class. And I always come back these types of educational video related to your subject. So stay with your teacher. Students, today we are going to discuss a very important question. What is Braille script? That means write a short note on Braille script. It will become in our exam 5 marks, but mainly we will discuss today how we write letters and numbers using Braille script. So watch the video, watch the class till end. Okay, so let's write the start answer. Student, write a short note on Braille script. So we can write start like this. Braille script is a special way of reading and writing by task. Last day, when we write what is Braille script in a short question, we write Braille script is a special way of reading and writing who cannot see properly. Today it is 5 marks. That's why I written something big sentence. Braille script is a special way of reading and writing by task. Okay. The next sentence we can write. It is used by. It is used by blind and visually some of the time which types of people cannot see properly, that means totally blind and cannot see properly, that means some of the time we can see very low, so they are use this script. Blind and visually impaired people. Some of the time in our exam, the question will be kind like this short question 5 marks. Okay. Who cannot access print. We know that we use print materials. Print materials because our book is printed. Print materials. The next sentence we can write. It used means Braille script. It used raised 6 dots like this. 6 dots are made on a thick paper. Are made on a thick paper. The next sentence we can write. It is invented by. You know that last class I discussed. Invented by Louis Braille. in 1824 Paris. Okay, so we can write this sentence about a short note braille script. Okay, next portion we will write different letters and numbers using braille script. So note down this one. Okay students, I hope you note down this portion so I can write. Okay students, I already written portion number 2, write all letters using braille script. And student, we know that braille script use 6 dots. So I write here 6 dot, but it is not a answer. You need to write now, follow this answer properly. How can you write A, B, C and all of the alphabets? I write here up to H. Next we will write Y and Z also. So see properly. Here is 6 dot, but when we need to write A, it is A means you need to circle this one big. So this is A. Then we need to write B. B is this 2 one, you need to write B. This is alphabets B. Then we need to write C. It is always this 2 one. But remember one thing, when we write this one, always remember students, don't write only this one point. You need to make this 6 dot always, and then you need to make this one big. That is A, B, C, like this. Then D. D is 3 dots. This one big. Then this one. Then this one. I make it 2 color. That means you can understand very easily how can we write. Okay. Then E. E is this one and this one. You need to make big. Then come here about F. F is this one, then this one and this one. Then G. G is upper 4 dots. You need to make big. This is, oh sorry students, extremely sorry. It is not G. Sorry. Okay, F. F is this one, then this one you need to be, then this one. Then G is this 4. First 4 on you need to make big. Then H. H is this and this on. This and this one you need to make big. Then come to back I. I is this one and this one you need to make big. Then J. J is this one, this point, this dots and this dots J. Then K. K is first left on and last left dots you need to make big. Then L. L is very beautiful. It is totally left 3 dots you need to make big. Then come to back about M and N. M is first 2 on and also last this on is M. Then about N. N is first on, then this one also. Okay, there's this one also, and also this last left corner. If you know, if you understand very carefully, if you remember the alphabet, you can write your name, your father's name, your mother's name, and your friend's name also using this dots. Okay. Then come to back about O. O is very interesting. At first this corner, there's this part, and then this part. Then about P. P is totally 4 dots. We need to write big. This and this one. Next portion we will write up to 9 numbers and 0 also using Braille script. So of this video properly. Then come to back about Q. Q is only this one left. Another all of the points we need to make big. This is totally Q. Okay. Then about R. R is this one and this one left, and another odd dots we need to make big. This types of is R. Okay. Then S. S is first this point, then another these 2 points we need to make big. Here is a small point also. Every student remember again, every alphabets, every numbers using 6 dot in Braille script. Then T. T is this one and this one left. Another all points we need to make big. Okay. Then come to back about U. U is last 2 on, and this first on. Then about V. V is like this. That means this 4 on, left 3 dots and this dot. This is V. Then W. W is very interesting. Left 1 dot and right 3 dots. Then we have another 3 letters. One is X and then YZ. X is first to 1 and last to 1. Okay students, I hope you note down the A, B, C first point. So I can write the X and Z here. Okay, I can write X, sorry, I will write in middle point, so you can write very X and we already written X. We can write Y and Z here. Okay, so I make here 6 point dots, 6 dots. Then we need to make the correct answer dots. Y. Y is only this one left, and another all points we need to make big. This is Y. Okay. Then we left only Z. So Z is only this point and this point left, and all this on we need to make big. Okay students, so this is all of our alphabets. Note down it very properly in your copy. Okay students, I write here third portion. Sorry, this is third portion. Write 0 to 9 numbers using Braille script. I already written the chart. And now we need to write the answer like that our alphabets. So note down. Student, I write here 1. Okay, but 1 is like this. The left one is big for number 1. Then number 2 for this 2 1 you need to write B. For number 3, these 2 dots are bigs. Then number 4, the first 2 1 and right corner second one. And then number 5 is this part and this one are big. Then number 6 is first 2 1 and left one are big. Then number 7 first 4 1, and sometimes it will be match our different alphabets also. Okay. Then number 8 is this left 2 1 and then this one. Then number 9 is this, number 9 is this one and this one are base. And then about last 0 is this one and this 2 1. Okay. So if you remember this up to 9 and 0, we can write up to different number, that means 1000 up to 1000 and more numbers using this dot in Braille script, and it will be come in our exam sometimes short question and 2 marks also. So note down properly, this is very important for you. Okay. Note down this one. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the 3 questions properly and this is helpful for your study. So if you want this types of class regularly, you can like, you can share with your friends this class. And if you are new in this channel, if you want this class again and again, this types of class, at first subscribe the channel. Okay, so this 3 questions for today's class. Thank you all of you.